Hi there and welcome to the guitar tutorial of Fast Car by Tracy Chapman. Although this is a fingerstyle based song, it does have a chord strumming part. These are basic first position chords and the chords are C, G, E minor, and D. The chord strumming rhythm pattern is as follows. So now for the strumming, I use my index finger or the back of the nail of the index finger. You can of course use your thumb or simply a guitar pick. The choice is yours. Now let's go to the lesson.